Hello everyone, welcome to the new video tutorial of the module Laravel e-commerce tap payment method. With the help of this module, the admin can integrate the tap payment module in the Bagisto e-commerce store, and the tap payment method will be available for the customer to finish the checkout process. It means the customer can select the tap payment method for their purchasing process. You can purchase the module from the Webcool store and go through the user guide for the installation notes of the module. Under the user guide, we have included all the details regarding the module, including the installation notes and the workflow from the admin panel as well as from the front end. So it is recommended to go to the user guide before installing the module. Now let's move further and check the workflow of the module. So for this we need to navigate to the Bagisto dashboard. Here this is the Bagisto admin panel dashboard. After the successful installation of the module, the admin just need to click on configure. After clicking on configure, the admin need to click on sales, and after clicking on sales, the admin just need to click on the payment methods. After clicking on the payment methods, here the admin can see that the tap payment method is also visible. Here the admin need to enter several details such as name, description, secret API key and the API publishable key for the production mode, as well as the admin can also enter these keys for the sandbox mode. The admin can enable or disable the sandbox mode from this toggle button, and from this toggle button the admin can enable and disable the modules over the store. After filling all these details, the admin just need to click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, here in pop-up will come that the configuration has been saved successfully, and now the payment method is available for the customer for the checkout process. Now let's move to the front end and check how the module works. So here this is the front end of the Bagisto e-commerce store, and we have been logged in as a customer. So first of all, let's add a product to the cart. Here we have successfully added a product to the cart. Now click on the checkout button. After clicking on the checkout button, within few time the customer will be redirected to a page where the customer need to select the billing address. After selecting the billing address, the customer need to select the shipping method. After selecting the shipping method, the customer can see that the tap payment method is visible here. After selecting the tap payment method, under the order summary, the customer can see all the details regarding the product, all the details regarding the address and the payment method that has been used by the customer to place the order. After this, the customer just need to click on the place order button. After clicking on the place order button, the admin will be redirected to the tap payment method page where the customer need to fill all the card details such as CVV, expiry date and the card number. After this, the customer just need to click on the pay button. After clicking on the pay button, after few seconds, the customer will be redirected to a ACS emulator page where the customer can see all the details of such as merchant name, merchant URL, amount, date, card number, card expiry, authentication results and so on. After this, the customer just need to click on the submit button. After clicking on the submit button, the customer will be redirected to a page where the customer can see that the payment has been captured. For here, after few seconds, the payment will be done. Now here, after that, the customer will be redirected back to the Bagisto e-commerce store page and can see that the order has been made successfully, including the order ID. So that was all about Laravel e-commerce tap payment method. If you still have any queries, suggestions, so please raise a ticket on bagisto.uvdesk.com and do like us and subscribe our videos. Thanks.